Smooth, positive shifts, a solid feel, and performance that lasts. That is what you want from your shifter. Wouldn't it also be great if it fit in your factory console too? The Bowler nightstick shifter is built to do just that. The T56 Magnum nightstick is an all-new design that combines a ball and socket shift stub with a completely new base plate configuration. The composite ball creates a smooth feel with no rattle that eliminates oil leakage around the shift socket. With a wide range of adjustment built into the nightstick, you can easily assemble the shifter for the most comfortable driving experience. This piece can be rotated 360 degrees and can be locked down in any position. Converting to a mid-shift location gives you the added distance you need in street rods or bench seat applications that require the shifter moved farther forward than the rear plate allows. The TKO500 and 600 nightstick design is slightly different. We opted to retain the use of the original Tremec base plate. The nightstick is available as an upgrade we can install on your new Tremec transmission before we ship it. Or if you're tired of dealing with the sloppy, leaking shifter you already have, we can send it out as a standalone unit ready for install.